Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the center console out of a 2006 S60. And what you want to do is open up the armrest on the driver's side. You come in here, you pull out this rubber piece, and you got two T25s down there. Then you open up this thing here, pry this up. I think you really got to get are the two T25s down there. Then once you get those two out, this may pull up and out, but there looked like there was two T25s in the bottom of it as well. And that stuff comes out of your way. So that's how you get this center console out. I hope it helps. Fast and dirty. Back two screws. The last front two screws I showed you, and there's a plug in the back of it, and it works up over this shifter stuff, and you got it out. And I just pulled the front of it down and out, and it's all apart. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.